We've got black to red HyperShift. We've got black to orange HyperShift. We've got a black to blue HyperShift and a black to purple HyperShift. But the one thing everyone constantly asks for is a black to green HyperShift. And we don't have that. Now, I talked to the manufacturer and there's nothing in the works right now. We get so many requests, well, can I make a black to green HyperShift? And I always tell people, I don't think so, because I think that's the honest answer. But today, we're going to try it. Gabe's not confident, and neither am I. Here's my promise to you. No matter what happens in today's experiment, I will show you the results, whether we make an incredible black to green HyperShift or every single attempt is a failure. I'm going to share it all. So let me give you an idea of how we're going to approach this. So our best chance of making a black to green HyperShift is to modify one of the existing HyperShifts. Now, we have to make this clear. Sure, you could use a black base and a very light pigment load of a green interference and try to claim that that's a black to green shift. But that's cheating. It's not an all-in-one HyperShift, and we're not going that route. So which of the existing black to color HyperShifts would be our best foundation to build off of? Well, if you've watched this channel for a while, you probably know that the black to purple HyperShift, when overloaded in pigment load, actually brings out green tones. They're very extreme and they're very mild, but they're in there. So we're wondering if we can kind of influence them to come out more. So we're going to do 4 different mixes, and we're going to be adding pearl into the ZBP to try to make this work. So we've got 2 interference options and 2 solid pearl options. The first one, probably a safe bet, is green interference. It's a mild interference pearl, green in tone, so we're thinking that might blend in a little bit and influence it. Then a little bit more extreme on the interference side, ZGA HyperShift, which is a green to blue. I don't know what that's going to do. The blue may cause all sorts of problems, but there is a very intense green in there. So if those don't work, we're going to a color powder option. The first one, this was Gabe's pick. This is Tahitian green. And why do you think this one would work?
I just like how dark it is to help maintain those dark tones.
And then ZTL HyperShift, which is our most green color powder hyper. It's just not going to work. Maybe none of these are going to work, but we're going to find out. We're going to do it all in our Luna Eclipse permanent paint to get the most clarity and the best chance of this looking as good as possible. I promise we're going to show you whatever happens. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, the goal here was to try to create a black to green HyperShift. And even though the odds were super slim that we were going to succeed, we were hoping that whether we made it or not, we might create some awesome colors throughout the process. And I cannot wait to show you what we came up with. So take a good look at each one, leave a comment below, and let me know which one is your favorite. And if you want to change the color of your car or your wheels, you want to play with some awesome paints, both peelable and permanent, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Everything is in one place for you. Gabe and I had a blast on this video. We love doing stuff like this. I hope you enjoyed it too. I'll see you on the next video.